Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to engage four-wheel drive in your Toyota Land Cruiser. First, ensure your vehicle is at a complete stop. This is crucial for preventing damage to the drivetrain components. If you have an automatic transmission, shift it into neutral. For those with a manual transmission, make sure the clutch pedal is fully depressed. These initial steps prepare your vehicle for a smooth transition into four-wheel drive, ensuring safety and proper operation. Now let's shift into 4-high. Locate the transfer case lever, typically found next to your gear shifter, or the four-wheel drive selector button. Gently move the lever from the 2-high position to 4-high. This engages the front axle for improved traction at higher speeds on loose surfaces. Always check your dashboard for the illuminated four-wheel drive indicator light, confirming successful engagement. This mode is perfect for light off-roading or slippery roads. For more challenging terrain, you'll need 4-low. First, bring your Land Cruiser to a complete stop once more. Shift your main transmission into neutral or fully depress the clutch if you have a manual. Then, firmly move the transfer case lever from 4-high through neutral and into the 4-low position. This provides maximum torque and slower speeds for steep climbs or deep mud. The four-wheel drive indicator light should confirm this engagement. To disengage four-wheel drive, bring your vehicle to a complete stop. Shift the transfer case lever back to 2-high from either 4-high or 4-low. After disengaging, drive a short distance, perhaps 20 to 30 feet, in a straight line to allow the drivetrain components to fully release. Remember, never use four-wheel drive on dry, paved roads, as this can cause excessive wear and potential damage to your Land Cruiser's system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.